Today, I'd like to introduce a new product, Unestech A2.5秒 U.2 U.3 NVMe PCIe SSD HDD Mobile Rack All-Metal Safety Key Lock Tray. HDD Mobile Rack Enclosure adopts a sturdy metal body structure, multi-channel heat dissipation. It is particularly suitable for harsh environments such as industrial applications. Achieve efficient air circulation, suitable for 3.5-inch front space. Removable hard disk tray design. Protective hard disk design tray. Fully compatible with standard U.2 SSD specifications. Supporting hard disks with thicknesses ranging from 5 毫米 to 9.5 毫米. Users can easily install and maintain the U.2 小时 on the drive without disassembling the case. The ST2528U4 小时 on disk enclosure adopts the RX SlimSAS SFF4544 interface, equipped with a two-stage key lock to protect the hard disk security. Accessories display.